In our previous video, we had seen how to install Git, create an account, and install an ID on your system. So in this video, we'll be creating a repository, also known as a repo. So let's get straight into it. So we are in a browser over here, and we have our GitHub account open. So to create a repository, you can either click on Create Repository button over here, or you can go on this plus icon in the topmost corner and click on New Repository. So it'll ask you for your repository name. You can give it whatever you like. It is a good practice to use camel case or use underscores if you'll have multiple words. So I'll be using test, and it is a good practice to give a description so that it is easier for the other person to understand what is actually happening. So the description that I'll be giving is, alright, so this is my first repo, and we'll add a readme file. It will be beneficial. So once you click on create repository, you'll have your repository ready. So this is a very simple step how to create a repository in GitHub.